Will Bitcoin reach to $100,000? Well, it might achieve. Or not. Bitcoin in 2009 was totally worthless. It was a new concept, untested and unfamiliar. Fast forward to April 2021, Bitcoin gave the market surprise by hitting an all-time high of over $60,000. And all over the internet, many people predict it can go all the way up to $100,000. Yes, you heard it right, from almost zero to tens of thousands of dollars. This meteoric rise wasn't without its share of dips and dives, but it's a testament to Bitcoin's potential as an investment. It's a stark reminder of the power of innovation and the possibilities that lie within the realm of digital finance. Now that we've taken a glimpse at Bitcoin's past performance, let's journey back to its roots and understand its genesis. Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating story of Bitcoin's inception in the next scene. Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin works or how you can make money from it? Well, let's journey into the world of Bitcoin, a digital currency that dances to its own beat, free from the strings of any central bank. You see, Bitcoin is a bit like a digital gold rush, with transactions happening directly between users, no middlemen. These transactions are then verified by network nodes using complex mathematical equations, a process we call cryptography. What's fascinating about Bitcoin is its popularity. It's not just a buzzword, it's a revolution, changing how we view and use money. It's like a global financial game of chess, and Bitcoin is the queen, but it's more than just a digital currency, it's an investment opportunity. With its value fluctuating wildly, the potential for profit is huge. So, you understand what Bitcoin is, but how can you make money from it? Let's dive into it. The first step to making money from Bitcoin is buying some. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with a digital wallet. Much like a physical wallet, a digital wallet is where you store your Bitcoin. It's easy to create one. And the good news is, it's completely free. You can create a digital wallet on your computer, your smartphone, or even a dedicated hardware device. Once you have your wallet ready, it's time to buy some Bitcoin. You can do this on a Bitcoin exchange, which is a platform that allows you to trade your real money for Bitcoin. There are many exchanges out there, so be sure to choose a reputable one. For example, Binance is widely used to trade and store the cryptocurrencies. Trustworthy exchanges prioritize the security of your funds and offer a user-friendly experience. So, you've created your digital wallet and bought some Bitcoin. Now you have some Bitcoin in your digital wallet. What's next? It's time to strategize. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of investment strategies, let's take a moment to talk about you, our amazing viewer. We are thrilled to have you here, sharing this journey into the world of Bitcoin and other investment with us. If you're finding value in our content, we'd love for you to become part of our community. How can you do that? It's simple. Just hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And if you're feeling extra generous, why not share this video with your friends? They might also find it helpful. Subscribing to our channel means you'll never miss out on our latest videos. We're constantly researching and creating content to keep you updated on the ever-evolving world of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. From investment strategies to market trends, we've got you covered. And trust us, in the dynamic world of crypto, you don't want to be left behind. Let's make the most of this financial journey together. Now let's dive into some investment strategies. Making money from Bitcoin isn't just about buying low and selling high, it's about having a solid investment strategy. Let's dive into some of the most popular strategies used by investors in the crypto world. First, we have the good old buy and hold strategy. This is a long-term investment approach that involves purchasing Bitcoin and holding on to it for years. The idea is that the value of Bitcoin will increase over time, turning your initial investment into a tidy sum. This strategy requires patience and a strong belief in the future of Bitcoin. It's a bit like planting a tree. You nurture it, give it time to grow, and eventually, you reap the fruits of your patience. On the flip side, we have day trading. This strategy is for the adrenaline junkies out there. Day traders buy and sell Bitcoin within a single day, aiming to profit from the mini price fluctuations that happen throughout the day. It's a fast-paced, high-risk, high-reward game. Imagine riding a roller coaster, but the roller coaster is made of money. That's day trading for you. Of course, each strategy has its pros and cons. Buy and hold is less stressful and time-consuming, but it also means your money is locked away for a long time. Day trading can bring quick profits, but it requires a lot of time and attention, and the volatility can lead to significant losses. The best strategy ultimately depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking to build wealth over time and can stomach the ups and downs, Buy and hold might be for you. If you thrive on action and don't mind the risk, day trading could be your game. But here's the golden rule of crypto investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and while the potential gains are high, so are the risks. Having a solid investment strategy is key to making money from Bitcoin, but remember, investing in Bitcoin comes with its risks. Like any investment, Bitcoin comes with its risks. It's important to be aware of these before you dive in. Now, one of the most significant risks is the volatility. The value of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly in a short period. This means that the value of your investment can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. It's like a roller coaster ride, thrilling but unpredictable. In fact, it's possible to lose your entire investment if the value of Bitcoin takes a nosedive. This is why we always stress that investing more than you can afford to lose is never a good idea. It's not just about the potential gains, but also the potential losses. In the world of Bitcoin, it's always best to be prepared and knowledgeable. You need to do your research, have a solid strategy, and be ready for the unexpected. Bitcoin can be a lucrative investment, but it's not without its risks. Do your research, have a solid strategy, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now that we've covered Bitcoin, let's take a moment to compare it with other top cryptocurrencies in the market. These include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, among others. First, we have Ethereum. Ethereum is a blockchain-based platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. It's known for its flexibility and versatility, and its native currency, Ether, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Next up is Ripple, also known as XRP. Ripple is both a digital payment protocol and a cryptocurrency. It's designed for fast, low-cost international transactions, making it a popular choice for financial institutions and payment providers. Then there's Litecoin, often considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin offers faster transaction confirmation times and improved storage efficiency compared to Bitcoin. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own unique features and potential as an investment. While Bitcoin is the most well-known, Ethereum's smart contract capabilities, Ripple's fast transaction speed, and Litecoin's efficiency could make them strong contenders in the market. However, it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies can be a profitable venture, but it also comes with its own set of risks. It's crucial to do your research and diversify your portfolio. And as always, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Before we wrap up this video, we want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your support helps us to continue creating high-quality content about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We know that the world of cryptocurrencies can be complex and overwhelming, but remember, you're not alone in this journey. By subscribing to our channel, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about blockchain technology and its potential to revolutionize our financial systems. We're all here to learn, grow, and navigate this exciting space together. We'd also like to extend a big thank you to all of our viewers. We appreciate your time and your curiosity. Stay tuned for more videos that delve into the intricacies of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe in your cryptocurrency journey. Happy investing!